All right, so today is the last day that you will be officially working on stuff for your digital portfolio and your AP exam create task. The next day in class will just be a review, or not a review, but some time to make sure that you get caught up and everything is ready to go. Okay, so what you're going to be doing today is you have all of your written responses in various documents that you've turned in Schoology. What you're going to be doing today is you're going to take all of your written responses and place them in a single Google Doc. Now, please do not just go through and copy the entire assignment and paste it into a Google Doc. The reason for that is I need to just do a plagiarism check on your answers. And if you copy the whole thing, it has the questions on it, which will come up as, the fact that it has been plagiarized because the questions are from the AP exam. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy and paste all of your answers from all of those responses that you have done in Schoology. You're going to put them onto one document and we're going to upload that to the plagiarism checker in Schoology. Then what you're going to continue to work on is the final submission to the digital portfolio. Now, please do not hit final submit until I have come back from vacation, and we will make sure that we do that correctly together. Okay, so you can submit it, you can make changes without hitting your final submission button, okay? So today you're working on your upload to your plagiarism checker, and then you want to make sure that you have everything ready for your digital portfolio, which is your 1-minute video of your assignment, your PDF of all of your code, and your responses to the College Board template all on your digital portfolio in the College Board website. Okay, so what are you going to do today? Make sure that you have completed all of your responses. Also make sure that your responses are based on the video that you have created, okay? You're going to combine all responses into one, either Word or Google Doc. You're going to submit it to the plagiarism checker on Schoology, not Blackboard. I apologize for that. Make sure that you resolve any citation issues before you submit to your digital portfolio. Okay, upload everything to your digital portfolio, but do not hit final submit until I have cleared you to do so. So once you turn in those safe assign or that plagiarism check, I am going to give you a grade for that. Do not turn that in until I have said that that is correct. Okay, so you might have to do this next class period, which is totally fine. Just make sure you have everything up there and ready to go. So do not hit final submit until I have cleared you to do so, and that will be on Schoology. When you put it in the plagiarism checker, I will say you're good to go. You can hit final submit. Make sure that you do not name any of your uploads with your actual name. And so that, yes, just make sure you have nothing with your name on it and your video does not have your voice in it. All right, so your goal today, make sure you have your video 1 minute long. You can use sounds from your program, but make sure that the sound is not your voice. You want a PDF of all of your code. I suggest copying and pasting all of your code into Google Slides or a Google Doc and then just saving that as a PDF. And then you want your responses. If you want to click on this page right here, this will just take you to a page for some digital portfolio pointers. Okay. All right, so just a couple double checks. Make sure you count your words, your word counts for each response. It will tell you what's the maximum word count. Make sure you spell check all of your responses, read them over, make sure they have proper punctuation. Check all your responses against the scoring guidelines. You have that whole thing. You can go back to day 1 where all of them are there. Upload your responses to the plagiarism check in Schoology. Make sure that you check the plagiarism check to make sure all citations are complete and correct. Okay, and remember, if you needed a citation, you can include that in your code. Okay, do not title any of your submissions with your name. Now, before you hit the final submit, review each of the 3 items you have uploaded to the digital portfolio. Make sure they're correct. For the video, if you made a video and it's incorrect, you can upload it multiple times. It will always take the most recent upload for your video. So once you press final submit, your work is sent to the College Board for grading. Okay, I recommend waiting until the next class when I come back in order to hit that final submit button, just in case there's something that you want to change or edit. All right, if you want the full rubric, and I said if you want to check your scoring guidelines right here, so notice again right here, you can just go through these. We've gone through these in class. You can just make sure you have all of those. All right, so once you've done all this, you're done, but do not press that final yellow submit button until I come back to class. Yay, you made it.